have breads.
Oh no, I am done with breads. I need something spicy.
Alright. We have chicken, but it may take some time to cook.
No, I am hungry. I need it really quick.
Gotcha. I have a quick yummy recipe, but I need your help to prepare it.
Of course. Let's do it. What do we need?
Here's the list. Get them all handy now. Chicken, half a kilogram. Onion, 1, vertically chopped. Green chili, 1. Ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon. Chili powder, 1 teaspoon. Coriander powder, 1 teaspoon. Garam masala, half teaspoon. Turmeric powder, small amount. Fennel powder, 1/4 teaspoon. Kashmiri chili powder, half teaspoon. Pepper powder, half teaspoon. Coriander leaves, half handful. Salt, required amount. Oil, required amount.
Everything's ready.
Perfect. Let's start. As the first step, let's take a bowl and put the chicken pieces in it. Then, let's add the chopped onions, chopped green chili, ginger garlic paste, chili powder, coriander powder, garam masala, turmeric powder, fennel powder, Kashmiri chili powder, and salt. Now, hands on, let's mix them together.
I hope it turns out good.
It will. Now, take that pan, Simba.
Done, Violet.
Good boy. Now, I am pouring 2 teaspoons of oil in it. Now, let's shift this mix to the pan and stir it well. Spot on, Simba. Let's close it for 2 to 3 minutes.
That's it?
No, chicken wouldn't be properly cooked by then. Let's sprinkle some amount of water to this mixture, stir it again and close the lid for 20 minutes. Remember to keep the flame low.
Okay.
Meanwhile, let's toast the bread.
Let's get to our chicken.
Yeah. Now, let's stir this once again. Add pepper powder and garnish it with coriander leaves. Voila! Our easy peasy chicken is ready.
Yee. Take the plates, I'll set the table. I love you, Violet. I am gonna go take a nap.
But who will wash our plates?
Of course you dear.